Okay, so looking at how to recode the race variable. Before I get there, I did want to talk a little bit about number 4 on SPSS number 1. So when I ask you, how did you code the dummy variable? What original value, right? All of this stuff, right? Thinking about interpreting statistics, right? Why did I choose to make my dummy variable illegal to all, or why, and then combine illegal under 18 and legal? Like, why did I make those decisions? Well, right, maybe it's because I decided I was interested in people who are anti-porn, right? Completely anti-porn. Right, maybe that's why. Or maybe if I had coded it differently, maybe if I had coded it legal and then illegal, right, in some situations, or all situations, right? Legal or some type of barrier. Right, that might be because I'm interested in people who think that porn should be legal for everyone, right? So why we choose to code our dummy variables in that way, right? That's important to think about, right? Why we did that. So moving on to the race variable. All right, we are going to find the variable race_sen1, right, which is right here. Right now, I am going to, again, recode it into a different variable. So I am going to pull up my variable information so that I can see everything. Maybe, come here. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to do the same exact thing, right? I'm going to recode into a different variable. I'm going to move all this stuff over because that's not important anymore. And I'm going to find race_sen1. Here we are. Bring it over, right? Old and new values. I'm going to clear out all of these so that I can start from scratch, right? And I want it to be, right, 3 values, white, black, and other race. So old value of 1 stays 1, right? So white stays white. Old value of 2 stays 2, right? Black stays black. And now everything from 3, right, which is American Indian or Alaskan Native, all the way down to 16 is going to now be recoded as 3. So I could do that individually, right? I could do that one at a time, but that would be a pain in the butt, right? So instead, I'm going to use range, right? So that's going to be 3 through 16. And my phone is going to yell at me. Right, and then I'm going to hit add, and now I'm going to tell it all other values are system missing. Add. Continue. Right, now I'm going to give it a new name, which I told you what to do, right? Race. I'm going to have to give it a number because I already have this name in my data set. Race collapsed into 3 categories: white, black, other. Right? Change. Now I hit OK. Right? Output pops up, tells me that I executed it. I'm going to scroll down here, double check, right? Look at my descriptive statistics. Okay, that looks right. So, but I also am going to want to remind tomorrow, Kristen, what I've done. So I'm going to add in labels to those values so that when I come back to this tomorrow or next week or some other time, I know what 1, 2, and 3 mean, right? So now when I run my descriptive statistics, it pops up and I have labels for all of those. All right, cool. Done with SPSS number 1.